Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. Guys, how are you all doing today? Happy Wednesday. Just doing a quick video, guys. This is just a raw footage. This is just a raw footage of my living room refresh, guys, for 4th of July. This is what I did with the living room. I just add some red pillows and I just pretty much add, change the position of the vase. That vase was over here, or ginger jar I should say, was here, and I just put the books here and put the ginger jar there and add the blue hydrangeas here. And I feel like it looks absolutely beautiful and festive for the season. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. But this is absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. I am loving the look, and I'm loving the light touches of the American flag, the light touches of the American flag. I didn't want to do too much, guys. Didn't want to do too much, so I'm gonna have to get another candle for this because this one is out. Or I need to put some batteries in it, so I'm gonna have to put some batteries in that one. I really want to order some more battery operated candles, guys, because this one I had to tape this one up because it's not staying closed, so I had to tape it up, guys. But I need to change the batteries, so I'm gonna have to remove the tape and change the batteries. But anyway, I just wanted to show you quickly what it looks like in the living room. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, outside is not yet dark. Keep the noise down, guys. What happened? Oh, you're playing? Okay. Come and take the popsicle. Guys, it's summer and the kids are home, so you're gonna be hearing kids in the background in my videos. It is what it is. It is what it is, guys. This is the TV area right here. Let me just move this so that you guys could see properly of what it looks like. Let me remove this artwork and stuff that they have going on here. But this is what it looks like here. This is just a mixture of flowers, olive picks, and olive branches, and what is this one called? Orchid. And these here from the Dollar Tree 99-cent store, Home Goods. It's a mixture, guys, and the vase that it's in is a DIY. Those are actually iced tea cans, guys. If it's your first time here, it's iced tea cans. If it's not your first time here, then you guys already know how I made this vase right here. Yeah, so it's pretty much the same thing I have going on, except for the red flowers and the different styling of the ginger jar, and yeah, my blue hydrangeas. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving this look, guys. Please drop your comments down below, let me know what you think. I want to close the curtain so that you guys could see, guys. I'm hot. I have the AC running, but let me close the curtain so that you can see what's going on. And then I pull the curtains back open because I'm hot. I have to have this AC going. I didn't even turn it off. You see, it's sucking in. It's pulling the curtains in because I'm hot, guys. It's hot now, so summer, and I'm not complaining. I'm just saying it's hot because I love this weather. And we don't get much of this weather here in New York. No, we don't. It's most times it's cold, so I'm just enjoying this weather. But I have to have my AC running, guys, especially here in the attic. It gets really hot, so I have to have the AC running. But this is my living room. and it's looking fabulous in my opinion. But comment down below, let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you guys. But I am loving this space, guys. I am just loving this space. I think it's gorgeous. I don't know, there's something about red be popping, especially with black and white. Red be popping, guys. And then I have my beautiful vases in gold that I purchased from Burlington. Guys, check this out. And these are my little Dollar Tree balls. Anyway, guys, this is just a quick video, guys. Quick video, my friends. Quick video. Raw footage, guys. I'm showing you the raw footage, the real deal. No AI. This is the real deal. I'm showing you guys. Yeah. So this is it, my friends. Let me take you over to the kitchen so that you guys could see how I have the kitchen looking for the summer. Okay, my friends, like I was saying, this is the raw footage. So this is where my garbage can is, and that's where I normally keep my garbage can. Now over here I keep my, this I need to do a arrangement in, that's why that is there. But anyway, don't mind that, guys. I just put the other plant here, and yeah, kind of hide what's going on in the back. I just have like cards and a wine holder there in the back. Okay, guys, this is my coffee bar. Let me try not to shake this camera. Okay, this is my coffee bar, and I think it's gorgeous, guys. OMG, I'm just loving the outcome of it. Now I need to buy me some more fake lemon, guys, because I'm out of fake lemon. So what I did is the other day I had to pull some lemon from the fridge. You can do that, guys. Pull some lemon from the fridge and put it in here just to show you guys an idea of how you can style your bowl. Now this bowl, beautiful gold bowl, I do eat from it. I do have my salad in this bowl sometimes, just because I want to feel rich. I feel like everything I buy, I should use it. I don't believe in buying things and not use it, and don't ever use it. I'm using everything that I buy. Yeah, I'm eating out of it. I'm not going to keep it and store it. I'm not doing that. I'm eating out of it if I feel like. When I'm ready, me and my husband, we drink from these cups too. We have our little wine and stuff in these cups. When we're ready, we drink from them. And all these cups I've used. Everything here I've used. Except for this bowl, I use it just for decorative purposes. But please, everything I use, yeah. I don't believe in just having it there for the looks and don't use it as a special occasion. No, every day is special. As long as God give me the breath every day to get up and give me life, and I woke up and I see another day, that's special to me. Yeah, anyhow, let's get into this video, guys. Let's get into this coffee bar. How beautiful is this, guys? I am loving the look of this. This is absolutely beautiful and festive, guys. I feel like the touches of blue and white really does something to the lemon theme, guys. It brings it up. It brings it up. Oh yeah, it does. It really brings it up, and I'm just loving the look of it, guys. Yeah, this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. With the plant right here too, I feel like the plant right here really sets the tone to the area, guys. The greenery, it's really looking beautiful. I'm loving the look of that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let's go over to my credenza. On my credenza, this is what I have going on there, and these are things that I really keep on the credenza on a daily basis. My mug tree, I put my little tea, and guys, I've used this already too. I told you I use everything. I put hot water in it, and we have breakfast, and we pour the hot water from it. And I've used it, guys. I'm not gonna have it and don't use it. Oh no, I'm not doing that. This, you guys see, I use this all the time. I put dessert in it sometimes, and this time I just choose to put some fake oranges and lime in there, because the whole theme in the kitchen is really a citrus with blue and white theme. So you'll find apples, lemons, limes, oranges, yeah. And this is what on top of the credenza looks like. And you'll find pineapple. Okay, so that's what it is. It's a citrus and yeah, fruity citrus with blue and white kind of theme, with the yellow and white. It's popping, guys. I'm loving it. I'm satisfied with the look. If you like it, please drop me a comments down below. Let me know what you think, guys. And look how beautiful my DIY accent wall came out. Absolutely beautiful. I'm yet to finish this wall though. There's a little part there in the back that I need to finish. I'm gonna add the I did purchase more wallpaper to finish it up. And guys, this is my DIY picture light that I made. Let me turn off the flash so that you can see. Look how nice this is. Look how nice this is, guys. DIY light, guys. This is a push light and this is a L bracket. I nail it to the wall, add my gold strip to cover it up, and then I took the backing off the push light and just stick it to the L bracket. That's it, my friends. And there you have it, my DIY picture light. The wall is DIY as well, and the picture frames or the wall art, those are DIYs too. And if you want to see how I made them, please refer to the video in my video section, guys. I need to wipe this wall off. Look at that. Yeah, I need to wipe it down. I need to wipe it down. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the thing and wipe it down. But guys, yeah, I do need to wipe that wall down. So like I said, guys, this is a raw footage. Like I said, it's a raw footage. So you're gonna see me wiping down the wall, literally. Yeah, this is just a raw footage of my living room. If you have any questions, you could drop it down in the comment section, guys. Just drop your comments in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel. I promise you love my content, guys, and I would love to have you here. And to my oldie but goodies, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me and always there to support my videos whenever I do an upload. You guys mean the world to me, and I appreciate and love all of you. Yeah, guys, this wall, yeah, I didn't realize this wall was like this, but you know how it goes when you have children. It'd be like this. Yeah, that's how it is, guys. We're not perfect. We are not perfect. Okay, it looks much better. Yeah, it's just wet, just gotta dry now, but it looks much better. Yeah, way better than how it was. Okay, my friends, look how gorgeous this looks though. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This credenza, I must have paid like $120 for this, or $125. There's also the video for this, guys. So just go on my channel, subscribe if you're new, and go into my long form videos and just search the videos, and then you'll find how I did the accent wall, DIY accent wall, DIY wall art, DIY picture light, DIY. Just search, guys. You could search and watch the credenza video when I first got it and how I style it. So just go and support me and watch the videos and drop your comments, guys, and give me a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it also if you share the video. And yeah, support. Yeah, guys, so this is what my kitchen on this side is looking like. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's head over to my sink area. So guys, this is on top of my microwave, and this is how on top of my microwave is looking. I purchased this beautiful apple. I am so in love with this apple. Purchased this from Burlington, and it was the only one that was there, guys, and so I grabbed it fast. This ice cream cone is from Burlington too. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And those lemon and lime, cut lemon and lime from Target, Dollar Spot. I've had those for years, yeah. So this is what on top of my microwave is looking like. Now above my kitchen sink is this beautiful setup right here. I have the lemon pot holder. Then I have these blue and white. All these plates are from the Dollar Tree. Another cut lemon there, and this I purchased this year. This water can. I purchased with the sun on it from the Target Dollar Spot for $5, and then I put those orange tulips inside, guys. How beautiful is that? And look at my clock. I'm so in love with this clock. I purchased this clock at Burlington. So happy when I saw it. I knew I was going to put it in my kitchen. I am so loving how unique it is. Absolutely beautiful, guys. This is what my kitchen looks like, above my sink, and this is on top of my microwave. Yeah. And then that's the little wall sconce right there. Just add the orange and lime in there. That's it, guys. And we're back in the living room, guys, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. This is just a quick raw footage, guys, of my living room and kitchen, guys. This is how I have it looking at the moment, guys, and I'm loving the look. I am loving the look. Hope you do love it too. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share the video out with your family and friends. I don't mind, guys. And until next time, be creative and be blessed. Guess what? I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Bye.